Most people think of succulents as tough little plants with thick fleshy leaves and not much else. But what if I told you some of them bloom? And when they do, it's absolutely breathtaking. Behind their rugged look, these succulents hide colorful secrets. Some bloom only once in their lifetime, others bloom at night, and a few can cover themselves in dazzling flowers if you treat them just right. Number 1. Christmas Cactus. Don't be fooled by its name. This succulent doesn't just shine in December. The Christmas cactus produces elegant flowers in shades of pink, red, and purple. It thrives in indirect light and loves being slightly root-bound. Number 2. Crown of Thorns. This one blooms constantly if kept in sunlight. With vibrant red or yellow flowers, Crown of Thorns is tough but toxic. Keep it where kids and pets can't reach it. Number 3. Pincushion Cactus. Covered in harmless-looking spines, the pincushion cactus surprises with vibrant pink flowers. But handle with care, its hooked spines are not friendly. Number 4. Rock Purslane. With neon magenta flowers blooming on tall stems, rock purslane might look delicate, but it's built for rock gardens and drought conditions. Number 5. Afterglow Echeveria. This lavender-leafed beauty looks photoshopped in real life. And when it blooms, expect pink-orange flowers that look like they came from another planet. Number 6. Marble Buttons. This strange pebble-like succulent produces yellow to deep orange flowers that only open at night. Mysterious, scented, and hard to ignore. Number 7. Flowering Kalanchoe. With dense clusters of small flowers and fiery reds and yellows, the flowering Kalanchoe turns any dull corner into a colorful spot. No special care needed. Number 8. Jade Plant. Think it's only about money luck? Nope. This classic succulent blooms with dainty pink or white star-shaped flowers, usually in winter when you least expect them. Number 9. Purple Ice Plant. Ground cover or pot, it doesn't matter. This plant covers itself in daisy-like purple blooms all summer and fall. Just give it sun and well-drained soil. Number 10. Red Yucca. Red yucca isn't a true yucca, but its graceful coral red flowers attract hummingbirds like magnets. It thrives outdoors in hot, dry spots. Number 11. Peanut Cactus. Shaped like a bunch of peanuts, this quirky succulent produces shockingly large orange or white flowers. And good news, it's child and pet friendly. Number 12. Emily Cobweb Houseleek. This oddball looks like it's wrapped in spider webs. Its tiny star-shaped pink flowers only make the illusion more eerie and beautiful. Number 13. Aloe. Yes, aloe is more than just medicinal gel. Varieties like Coral Fire and Karoo Aloe bloom with tall spikes of tubular flowers in flaming colors. Number 14. Desert Rose. With a fat swollen trunk and showy flowers in red, pink, and white, Desert Rose is a slow-growing masterpiece. Full sun brings out its best. Number 15. Lifesaver Cactus. This plant really lives up to its name, with star-shaped flowers that have a donut ring in the center and striped like a zebra. Strange? Very. Stunning? Absolutely. Number 16. Orchid Cactus. Like something from a dream, this succulent spills over hanging baskets with huge blooms in every color you can imagine. Number 17. Ruby Ball. You've seen it in offices, bright red or orange tops sitting on green cactus bases. What you don't know? They bloom too, with subtle little surprises. Number 18. Superbum. Don't let the name throw you off. This soft purple succulent explodes with star-shaped white or yellow flowers in spring. Gorgeous and easygoing. Number 19. Ionium. Give it 5 years and Ionium will reward your patience with clusters of tiny starry flowers. But be warned, the mother plant dies after flowering. Number 20. Baby Toes. Yes, that's its name. These plump toe-like succulents bloom with daisy-shaped flowers in yellow, purple, and white from summer to fall. Number 21. Crinkle Leaf Plant. Its leaves are textured like crumpled paper, and the flowers, small but bold in white and red, rising on long stems in spring. Number 22. Flapjack Succulent. With leaves like stacked pancakes, this succulent shoots up towering stalks of pale yellow flowers, starting in its second year. Number 23. Francesco Baldi. a hybrid that gives you both foliage and flowers. Its yellow blooms contrast perfectly with its dusty green and reddish leaves. Number 24. Ghost Plant. Pale and powdery, this one hides yellow star-shaped flowers in plain sight. All it needs is drainage and sunlight. Number 25. Hindu Rope. Twisting vines and waxy curled leaves make it interesting, but it's the fragrant pink blooms that truly steal the show. Number 26. Jelly Bean Plant. Known as pork and beans, it stays small and compact while flashing bright yellow blooms in spring. A great desk buddy. Number 27. Mexican Peacock Echeveria. With spoon-shaped blue-gray leaves tipped in red, this plant puts out curved stalks of orange blooms that look just like a peacock's neck. Number 28. Sedum Rose. This chunky leafed plant pushes out pink, white, and yellow flowers on reddish stems. Give it bright light and it won't disappoint. Number 29. Moss Rose. If you want non-stop color, Moss Rose is it. Vibrant blooms in every color burst open under full sun. Simple, tough, and dazzling. Donkey's ears. Huge fuzzy leaves and surprise blooms on tall stalks make this plant a showstopper. It needs sunlight and dry feet to stay happy. Succulents aren't just about tough leaves and desert vibes. They're hiding some of the most surprising flowers in the plant world. If one of these beauties caught your eye, it's time to bring it home and see what secrets it reveals. Like what you saw? Hit the like button, subscribe for more plant revelations, and don't forget, nature always has a surprise waiting, if you're watching closely.